Good morning, Battery Guys.
Hi, I'm trying to find the battery for my car.
You trying to do what now?
Find the battery for my car.
Okay, what's the year, make, and model of the vehicle, ma'am?
It is a 2004 Ford Taurus.
2004 Ford Taurus.
Yeah.
All right, let me put you on hold for 1 second. Let me check for you. Be right back. Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
We do not have that battery in stock. It's showing a group size 36 that goes in there, and yeah, we don't have it in stock.
You got 36.
Yeah, it's a group size 36. That's what it's showing.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Upper call for extend.
Battery Guys.
Hi, this is Kadiwa. I called in regards to my battery last time.
Okay, how can I help you, ma'am?
Yes. Can I speak with the manager?
How can I help you?
Hi, I spoke with you guys last time in regards to my battery. I just needed a jump. I know you guys said it was 50 to come and have it jump.
Okay. How can I help you though?
I need a jump start.
You need a jump start. We can't. I mean, we can't come out and jump start you, ma'am.
Oh, so the last time I spoke to y'all, you said you could.
No, ma'am.
Because I got my battery.
Yeah, but we don't offer a free service charge when we come out to your house and jump start your battery, ma'am, at all.
I didn't say nothing about free.
Okay. We don't have anybody available to even come out to today, ma'am, to even jump start your vehicle, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Battery Guys.
Hey, how you doing?
Pretty good. How can I help you?
I was saying, you were saying, y'all looking for people to like try to start a business like how y'all doing
Franchises?
with batteries.
Franchise
Yeah,
opportunity.
franchising.
Yes, I can help you.
Yeah. So I'm trying to say, what do you have to do, or what do you need to start up?
You're gonna need anywhere between $80,000 to $100,000.
That's a lot. I ain't got that much. Hey, but I had another question.
Yes, yes, sir.
Now, with y'all liquid, can I know it say I can use it in my dead battery and then bring it back?
Well, sir, I mean, it's not like it's magic or nothing like that. I mean, basically, it's used for batteries between 1 to 4 years old. That's heavily sulfated. That's kind of weak. That's not holding the charge. It'll bring it back to life. I mean, it's not gonna bring a battery that's like 10 years that's been sitting in the garage or in the desert for 10 years. You put the solution, it's not gonna bring it back to life like that.
Yeah, okay. So long as it's up to date, like
Between 1 to 5 years old, sir.
Okay. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna order this stuff. I'm gonna eventually order it just to see how it works. Cause there's a guy, I got a guy that got a shop across from me. He be getting rid of a lot of batteries. That's why I was asking.
Okay.
So if I could refer, if they're not old, and I could bring them back, I'll try to make something off like that, some money like that.
I got you.
Just use batteries. But
Yeah, one
yeah,
gallon. One gallon can do 2 car batteries.
2 car batteries. Okay.
Yep.
Well, that is so. Yeah, I still make a little something because they selling batteries. They selling them pretty good. But yeah, I get back with you on it.
Okay, sir.
I'll order the stuff.
All right.
All right, thanks.
Thank you. Bye bye. Battery Guys.
Yeah, do y'all buy junk batteries?
Yes, sir. We sure do.
Okay. How do y'all buy them? By the pound?
No, we buy it like the size of the battery. If it's car batteries, are $5. What else do you have?
Okay, I have a little bit of everything. I have some like equipment batteries, like 31s.
31s are $6 a piece.
And then I have some car batteries and motorcycle batteries.
Car batteries $5. Motorcycle batteries are $1.
Okay. And is there a limit to how many I can bring?
You can bring them
So, okay, and you're there all day?
to 5 o'clock.
Thursday and Friday?
We're to 5 o'clock, Monday through Friday, 8 to 5.
Okay. All right, that's what I need to know. I appreciate it.
Thank you. Battery Guyz.
Yes, sir. I was wondering what y'all are giving on batteries.
What type of battery do you have?
Just the 12-volt car batteries.
$5 a piece.
Some of them might be for each cycle. Some of them might be for boats or whatnot.
Boat battery $6.
$10.
$6.
$6.
That's correct.
Car batteries.
$5.
Okay, appreciate it.
Thank you.
To knock the old stuff out of it, there's a deep cycle, autocraft, 550 cranking amps, and poured all the old acid out. 2 times I put distilled water in it, rinsed it out, and dumped it out. And then I put the new stuff in, the gallon stuff I ordered from you, and I put it on a 40-hour 2-amp charge, and then another about 24-hour 2-amp charge, and all I get is a 12.8 volt, and my little battery tester rapid test, it won't come up any higher than 1.100 each cell.
Okay. Well, it sounds like you have a bad cell, sir. That's one thing that we say in the description. If you have a bad cell, there's nothing that our battery additive can do to it. I mean, because you can't repair a bad cell. So it sounds like to me. Go ahead, sir.
That means the cell is disintegrated.
Yes, sir. That's exactly what it means. Yes, sir. Exactly what I'm saying. Yes.
Okay, I watched you on the explaining the use of this stuff 2 or 3 times.
Yes, sir.
My name is Gary Cook in Ohio. Now, real quickly, I know you guys are busy, so is there any way, I haven't put it on a high charge or regular charge, would that be any danger in trying that?
No, sir, it won't. No, I mean that would be your last solution, to try to put on a higher charge.
Okay, I've been doing it on a 2-amp because I was ready to put it on a higher charge. Okay, so if that doesn't work now, can I pour my gallon stuff I bought from you guys that is in the battery? Can I pour it out, let any junk settle to the bottom, and then siphon it off, but use it later on for another battery?
No, sir. No, that stuff right there's no good. I mean, the old stuff you dumped out, it's pretty much watered down. It ain't no good. It's not gonna help you in the future for trying to repair a battery or anything like. Sir, that stuff is watered down. It's no good.
You mean there was additional water in the battery that it mixed with, even though I poured everything out?
Are you talking about your old stuff that you poured out, sir?
Or the new wax?
Or you talking about?
Yes, sir. No. I'm talking about using the stuff that I bought from you that is now in the battery.
Okay.
If the battery goes bad, can I pour it out and siphon off the clear stuff?
Yeah.
Put it back in the boat?
Oh yes.
Later.
Yeah, you sure can. Yep, you sure can. Yep, you can.
Well, then I haven't wasted my $50.
Yes, sir.
Well, thank you. What's your first name?
Al.
Al. It's good talking with you, Al, and thank you much.
All right, thank you for the call, sir.
Okay, bye now.
All right, bye.